This video is about how to hide our personal or important messages from children or from others. Okay, let's see. First, go to Settings and Photos and enable this hidden album. If already enabled means no problem. Then go to Photos app and choose the image you want to hide. I choose this image, then click the share button. Scroll down a little bit. Now you can see this hide option. Click this. Click add photo. Then go to here and you can see this hidden album here. Open that. Yeah, now you can see the hidden photo here. Okay, finally we are going to hide this whole album from others. Again go to Settings, same Photos and disable this hidden album. Now you can see this hidden album will be disabled from others. Only you can see by enabling the hidden button like this. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video really helps you. Thanks for watching.